all the functionalities are designed to achieve the main goal, a radical time reduction for accepting orders and distributing it to drivers. The system gives the operator a few seconds to check the legitimacy of the order and to transmit it to the driver. Operator calls the client if the necessary information is needed. Due to automation feature of the operator software, the number of operators can be reduced by 2 or 3 times. Compared to the other systems, NambaTaxi's processing is reduced to a few seconds from the few minutes, and the customers are so convinced that their orders get directly to the driver. One of our main advantages is that the operating space is fully realized through a web interface. This allows the operator to work on any operating system, be anywhere without a link to a particular office, and without being dependent on a particular configuration. The system is easily scalable because the web interface is able to quickly add operators to the system and control their amount flexibly depending on the load. Our telephony makes it possible to make and to receive phone calls from any telephone network. To simplify the operation, there are several keyboard shortcuts that allows operator to make quick phone calls. Change the status of the operator. It is also possible to automatically end the current active calls and immediately accept the next calls. Calls between operators are evenly distributed. Telephony operates on the new solution of WebRTC, which allows us to quickly and painlessly scale. This is all handled by JavaScript code. The map shows all currently active drivers in real time and also their statuses, for example busy, free, or waiting for a client, and the vehicle classifications like standard, comfort, or minivan. With one click, the client can immediately call the driver to clarify the address and any other information. The map contains the search feature, option to filter the desired vehicle, the type of the driver like comfort or premium, and the search for the address of the client. When an operator receives the order, the address of the client is automatically determined and the operator can immediately inform the client about the availability of the cars within that area. And this is the cart of the orders. Here you can view and edit all customer information, order status, history of the orders. Through the cart, operator can carry out a fast dialing to any driver. And the main part is that the cart can allow to process multiple orders at the same time by a single operator. The order processing center deserves important attention. It consists of 3 divisions. New orders, orders coming from the website, mobile apps or SMS. Active orders, orders confirmed by the operator, which are then passed on to the drivers. And preliminary orders, orders which will be passed to the drivers later. For example, if the client needs a taxi at night, it is possible to order a taxi in advance. Here, you can see all the available statuses of the drivers. SMS order, new, accepted, arrived, on the board, or any other statuses that is needed. System allows to set any amount of needed statuses. Operator sees all the orders and has the ability to call a client or the driver with one click at any needed situations. Separately processed operations are false order. If the driver has suspected a false order, he can press on the appropriate button within the application. The order automatically becomes red and goes to the top of the order list, so that the responsible operator can find out the reason why it is false. No cars. If the order is not being taken by the drivers within a few minutes, the system highlights the order with yellow color. Then the operator can cancel the order by marking "No cars in your area." The client will receive the information through the app or SMS. After this, order will be removed from the processing. With innovative technology and our own development, the system can work on mid-range servers and be able to show amazing specifications. Confidently process up to 6,000 requests per second, and it is not the limit. The average response time from the server is 2.5 milliseconds and from the drivers 20 milliseconds. In the next section, we will discuss about the driver's application.